Hello.
Hello,
How are you, viewers?
Tamika Manotu.
Yes. Mr. Andrew,
Yes.
my friend, you tell me, my viewers, Assalamu alaikum.
Salam alaikum salam.
Yes. And I tell something in English, and no. First, I tell something Bangla, then you repeat with me, okay?
Yes.
তুমি কেমন আছো?
Tamika Manotu.
Okay. That means in English, I'm fine.
Yeah.
That means Bangla is আমি ভালো আছি. You tell আমি ভালো আছি.
I'm a Baliwachi.
Again, আমি ভালো.
I'm a Baliwachi.
Okay. Do you know Bangladesh? Bro?
No, I know a bit of Arabic.
Okay. No Bangla language. Do you know Bangladesh? In country name is Bangla. Like
I know.
It's one of small country situated in Asian continent. Okay. Are you one going to Bangladesh? Are you one going to Bangladesh ever?
No, but I was born in the Middle East.
Okay. Okay. And I tell something Bangla, you repeat with me, okay?
Yeah.
You tell কেমন আছো সবাই বাংলাদেশি people? কেমন আছো সবাই?
Yeah.
You tell.
I'm okay.
No, you tell Bangla.
Yeah.
Repeat with me. কেমন আছো সবাই?
Come on, social bye.
বাংলাদেশি জনগণ.
Bangladesh, Jonathan.
Very nice. He is one of my brother. He always every day, like morning time, he come our shop. Every day 7 o'clock or 6 o'clock. You came here.
Between 6 and 7.
Yeah, between 6 and 7 o'clock. He always came here, and he buys something like buy lots of stuff. He's very good, hard, and very good person. Very nice people.
Well, I try.
No, you always you good people. I know very well because maybe I know you maybe last 6 months. I know you. It's very good people, and everyone pray for him in our country, people, because my brother, he has one disease, and everyone pray for him. Then Allah Ta'ala give him very soon recover. You tell something English. Then in my country people pray for you about your disease. You tell something.
Well, about just my health problems, my epilepsy and type 1 diabetes. But apart from that, I'm still here for the moment.
Okay. Okay, thank you, my friend.
Thank you.
Have a nice day for you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. You all take care.
Okay. Thank you. Shabbat.
Bye-bye.